Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, we are going to discuss the latest VeriChat network KYC and migration update. We'll cover when the KYC process will begin, who is eligible, and the correct way to complete your KYC. Before we get started, I have a small request. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe. You'll get the latest updates on crypto airdrops and new mining projects before anyone else. If you're already mining on VeriChat network, that's great. But if you haven't joined yet, don't miss this opportunity. Use the link and referral code in the video description to create your account and claim your 50 bonus tokens. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's important update. So first, let's head over to the project's official account and take a look at the latest update they've shared regarding this matter. I already have their official account open. This update was posted about 30 minutes ago. And as you can see, the timer shows it has been around 32 minutes since it was published. So you're getting this update from me right away. The post says as second KYC is coming soon. Get ready now. It also states as second KYC and migration will open in a few days. This means that the KYC and migration process is expected to go live within the next 5 days. Now, let's go through the details. They have provided a complete step-by-step guide explaining the entire process. They have also shared the eligibility criteria and explained how you need to complete your KYC verification. The second migration, here's what it means. Users who have already received a node completed their first migration earlier. The tokens they earn through their nodes can now be withdrawn on a daily basis. Since I also have a node, I have been withdrawing my tokens regularly. I have already opened the details on my screen. Here they have once again written second KYC and migration. Let me clarify this once again. Second KYC refers only to users whose first KYC and migration were already completed, meaning those who have received a node. Other regular users, this is actually their first KYC process. So, when is it going to start? According to the announcement, phase 2 of the KYC process will begin on July 13 and continue until August 2. During this period, you will need to complete your KYC verification. To be eligible, they have also set a few terms and there are a few eligibility requirements that you must complete. Only after meeting these criteria will you be able to receive the KYC opportunity. If you don't meet the requirements, you won't be eligible for KYC. So, what are the terms, conditions, and eligibility criteria? Let's scroll down a bit. The first condition states that you must have at least 500 Veri tokens in your account before June 22. In other words, the tokens you earn through mining should total at least 500 Veri. Your account must also be supported and eligible. Another important point mentioned here is that KYC is not available for Chinese and US American citizens. This means users from these countries are not eligible to complete the KYC process before June 22. In other words, the tokens you earn through mining should total at least 500 Veri. Your account must also be supported and eligible. Another important point mentioned here is that KYC is not available for Chinese and US American citizens. This means users from these countries are not eligible to complete the KYC process. Now, if we scroll down a little further, they have clearly explained how to complete the KYC process. Step 1. Make sure you have a government-issued photo ID. They accept 3 types of documents: passport, national ID card, driving license. You can submit any one of these documents to apply. Now, if we scroll down a little further, it says not accepted. This means these types of submissions will not be approved. For example, you should not upload an old or previously taken photo of your ID. Instead, you must use your mobile phone to take a fresh, clear photo of your ID at the time of verification. Only a newly captured photo will be accepted. If we scroll down a bit more, you'll see the section titled How to Take Your Photo. Here, they explain the correct way to complete the process. You need to hold your ID card in your hand and take a clear selfie as instructed. They also show the correct way to capture a photo of your ID. The examples shown below are all incorrect. If you submit your KYC using photos like these, your verification will most likely be rejected. KYC is approved without any issues. So, these are the terms and conditions you need to follow when applying for your KYC. If you meet all the requirements and submit your documents correctly, your KYC should be approved without any issues. And if you haven't joined VeriChat network yet, make sure to do so. You'll find both the joining link and the referral code in the video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and a nice comment. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourselves and keep supporting this channel. Jazakallah khair.